Hello data points. Today in this video we are covering about how this is the setup of data modeling step, what are the data modeling step and what are the various types also, and we are already cover our data setup and the data ingestion part. Now we are understood what are the data models and how to create this. Okay, let's started. What is the data model we understood. So, and this is a notion page I created for you. I attached on the video, you can looking at later. So yeah, so let's start it. What are the data models? So if we notice, data models have the various types. Based on the connection we found, these are the types: the rational, star model, snowflake model, the network model, and the flat model, and the hierarchical model. Maybe I have the image where I found that. Yeah, so these are the models. This is the flat model and this is the hierarchical. Star, this is rational, then snowflake, then the network. Okay, this is the all type of model based on the connection we found. After that, what are the based on the stage, means where we are in the conceptual stage or the logical stage. This stage is the logical, and physical stage what we are created on the PGSQL server. This is we are this is the logical step. Conceptual based is this, the database setup is the conceptual. We think we create one and database, and after we are data ingestion, this is the physical step, and now we are also doing the logical step. Okay, based on the stages where we are, either we are thinking, either we are doing in a paper, which is called this design. Then after the physical mode, what are the servers we are issuing, and based on the relationship, what are the relationship with our model, either they are the rational model or the semi structure, entity model, object based model. Okay, so what are all of this and how to know what are this? So simply I send to the Google and it's create an MD file. I put into on here. We go to the doc. After that, the data models. If we are looking at this, I also added the image for the reference. So clicking upon this and you can preview it later. Okay, you understood. This is the video we are uploaded, and data model based on the relationship. What are the based on relationship? Few theories, and the conceptual based, the what, and the logic part, how, and the physical part, which is the actual implementation. We now understood what is the rational. Data stored in a fixed schema table. Okay, this is fixed schema table. Object based, combine the database capability OP pipeline. Okay, this is, and the semi structure, little bit rigid and little bit loose. Entity based model, which is ER model. High level conceptual model like user. We think we know ER model. Let me we think yeah, this kind of model. Okay, yeah, this is the ER model. This is the ER model. Entity relationship, high level, flow, all of this we can create. Okay, sorry, the stage where we are, what. Okay, after that you read all of this theory. Okay, so I, and in the YouTube, I added the description for the use daily. So how I create this beautiful structure. Okay, how I create, I go to the this search draw dp dot app, click enter, and yeah, we go. Now we can do the try now. After that, try it yourself, then use our Postgres SQL, uh, then click confirm. Then what we do, if you notice, we downloaded in the previous video the all SQL commands. Okay, so what we don't do the begin, we copy from the here to go to the down up to this. Okay, I'm not sharing this because you do it manually, this all SQL file. If you notice our our commits, here we have one, we fixed one issues which is the create add column, but here also we have the create add column. Now I notice, because I in the database we don't have that, but now I notice this is the previous video. While I am uploading importing, I suffer from that and I forgot to download the latest version. So in the later I added, or if I am not added on this here the SQL, the utility, if I'm not added, then you can simply download it. We are discussing about in this video. Okay, how to download it, simple. So come to here, then after that file, then import from SQL, either upload. If we are upload that all folder, then it's not work, so we need to copy paste. If we have anything in the canvas, then it overwrite, then click upon import, voila. Yeah, we important everything. So now we need to do the connection. Okay, so how to do that? It's simple. Like, if we have just an examples, where is the doctor? Okay, we have, how we do that, like hospital ID, we hold on this blue color. Okay, we hold on this blue color, not this. This is drag overall table, so we need to like reason. This is not, we need to find out the, yeah, the patient ID, hold upon this, then clicking upon this patient ID. Okay, it's create and this create and schema, where we clicking upon this, it's so this is one to many, and you need to know what are the types, one to many to many, all of this. And also I added this beautiful schema where you are go and file, then export as markdown format. If we are downloaded in this format, then you gonna got, where is that, data models, DMs, where I am downloaded, I forgot. Okay, yeah, this is what I am talking about. I added on here in the utility, in the public folder, in the schema. Then inside the schema I create the public, and inside that I public. Okay, now what I do, I drag and drop upon here. So what is this? So yeah, let's look at, after exporting like that, we got an beautiful preview. It's take the time because it is okay, we need to edit it, because here we have diagram documentation. Okay, so diagram documentation, yeah, one space. Now it's okay, this clicking upon refresh. Then if we are looking at, this is the summary introduction. And if we are clicking upon this dim region, then it's create one wonderful region. Then after that, the patient visit, staffing, and few relationship, what are the one to many, what are the many to many, and wonderful graphs to showcase you what are the reference we are taking and what are those. Okay, so now let's understood what are the graphs. So how to preview, view, just a minute, I want to show you how to do the open. Okay, leave it. So full screen mode, view in, okay, yeah, we got it. So simply if we zoom out, zoom in, then this is the date format. This not link with, we are just doing for the practice. After that, this relay reason is connected with one which is called the hospital. Then the hospital is connected only with the finance. Okay, only with the finance. Then this finance is connected with the staffing, and this is the another which is the department is connected with the department folder. And then if we are looking down, then this hospital id also helps to connect with the patient visit, and this is also helps to understand our patient visit. It is connected with the patient visit. Then yeah, this is for the department, and this is for the patient, and this is for the doctor id. Okay, and this is for the diagnosis category. This is the diagnosis category is related to diagnosis id, not the category, because let me show you. Okay, yeah, I show you later. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to export this dw design. We need to export where from doc images public schema. Yeah, that is the public schema. And this is, sorry, and where I export, either I export in a public or where. uh, okay, I export on a public. So okay, uh, from public dw connection design. Okay, done. So now we go to the readme file. In the readme file we have the this format. We remove it simply. We need to do this doc, then images, then we need this format. Yeah, I think both are good, so let me have the both below so that it can helps to understood. No, this is the good. Okay, so yeah, after I uploaded the video, I added on here, because how much time I added video. After that I publish. Okay, thank you for watching this. Stay connected for the big project. I don't know how much time it take to make, but yeah, I also added the errors as well to in the description so that anybody can see it and understood what are the errors we are suffering and what happens in the schema. This schema while we are uploading, that problem is happens. Okay, I added the errors as well, and what happened in the schema is the schema issues. We are suffering from the schema issues, so that I edited, then I public push. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. Join.